We'll guide you through how to share a Google Drive link quickly and easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive by typing drive.google.com into the address bar. Once you're logged in, find the file or folder you want to share. You can do this by browsing your folders or using the search bar at the top. Next, right-click on the file or folder and select the option that says Get Link. A new window will pop up displaying the sharing options. You'll see a section labeled Anyone with the link. Make sure this is set to the desired access level. You can choose between viewer, commenter, or editor depending on what kind of access you want to provide. Once you've set the access level, click on the Copy Link button. This will copy the shareable link to your clipboard. You can now share this link through email, messaging apps, or any other method you prefer. Just paste the link wherever you need to share it. Remember, if you share the link with anyone with the link access, anyone who has the link will be able to view the content based on the permissions you set. If you want to share it with specific people, go back to the sharing window and enter their email addresses directly. They'll receive an email invitation to access the file or folder. This method ensures only those you have invited can view or edit the content. And that's how you share a Google Drive link. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.